In this problem, it says a dog can eat 7 cans of food in 3 days. At this rate, how many cans of food does the dog eat in 3 plus D days? All right. Now, they don't give us what D is. Let's try and work some patterns here. What if D equals 3? Well, that means that now 3 plus 3 days is 6 days, which means that the dog's going to eat twice as much, 14 cans. So here's the thing. If I plug in 3, which of these expressions gives me 14? Well, 7/3 plus 3? No, that doesn't give me 14. 7/3 plus 3 over 3? No, that doesn't work. 7/3 plus 7/3 over D? Well, that's 7 over 9. That doesn't add to 14. 7 plus 3 over 3, that's going to be 8. That doesn't work. So what we're left with is this. If I plug in 3, the 3's cancel, and we're left with 7 plus 7. Now, another way to think about this, if you don't like thinking about it that way, is to say 3 days, and the dog eats 7 cans. So in 1 day, that means the dog is going to eat 7/3 of a can. And so what happened? Well, from here to here, we just divided by 3. Now we want to ask, what about 3 plus D days? Well, what we're going to do is we're just going to multiply by 3 plus D. So it's going to be 7/3 times 3 plus D. And so if we distribute this, 7/3 times 3 is 7. And 7/3 times D is, well, think of D as D over 1. And when we multiply fractions, we multiply the tops, 7 times D, and we multiply the bottoms, 3 times 1. And so that's another way of thinking about why this is the number of cans a dog eats in 3 plus D days.